Where you going?
To the fireworks of the 4th of July.
At the Queen Mary here in Long Beach, huh? All right, let's go. Two little puppies, two little puppies, two little puppies. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Yep. You're excited?
Yeah, we're excited over there for our state.
Hey, so last year you were not here in Long Beach, huh? Where did you go for 4th of July last year?
To Moreno Valley.
Moreno Valley? Was it fun over there? It was cool, huh? I'm pretty sure Long Beach is gonna be really cool though. Can't wait.
When I went to Moreno Valley, that's where my cousins were.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Whoa. Let's start it a little bit, little by little, bro. Finally started.
Woohoo! Finally started! That looks like a star.
Oh yeah, that's an airplane. Something shiny right there.
In the middle, I think. Oh, we got the rainbow one. That was gonna go rainbow and something. All the colors. I guess it's all on my yellow. They're like different shapes. They're like kind of like different shapes.
So cool.
They kind of like different shapes. Fireworks.
So cool. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what is that?
I don't know. They just disappeared. It vanished.
Oh wow, look at that green one.
Yeah, that's my favorite color.
Nice.
I like blue better. I
Look
need
at
to
that
like
purple,
green too.
blue,
Oh,
red, pink.
I didn't know those purple fireworks.
Look at that blue ones. I love the blue ones.
Me too.
There's a Queen Mary.
Oh, they have something pink. Pinky. Orange. Oh, red. Whoa!
Whoa, look at that. So beautiful, huh? Loving it. Look at all those bright colors.
Oh my god, look, there's one behind. Oh, there's a rainbow one. There's a pink one. There's a yellow one. And green. Yellow and red. Oh wait, that's yellow and orange. Oh yeah, that's yellow. Oh, blue. Yellow, yellow, blue. Yellow. Oh, I think that was light green. And oh my god. There's some colors and they vanish and then another color stays there. Oh look, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that red? It vanished again.
Right here? Honestly, it's so much.
Oh, look at that one. Oh, look, that one. Oh, it's red and blue.
Oh wait, that was far away, the little red one. Oh wait, that was our first. Oh wait, that looked like a circus.
You saw that?
Yeah.
No, we literally just got to go
Ooh, tacos. I heard the sound. Wait, what's the taco? With tamales. Tamales.
Look at that. It's so beautiful, bro.
Alright, just, well, you might as well just walk if there's a spot.
Look at that.
You might as
Now
well
it has
walk.
a couple different colors. Look.
La, 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 la. La, 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 la.
Hey, Gordo. Sorry.
Which ones do you like better, these or the ones in Disneyland?
I like the ones in Disneyland. They have more colors in. Cause
More
then you,
colors in Disneyland, huh?
yeah, because usually right here they mostly put the yellow ones.
Are you gonna put more videos of Disneyland in your channel?
I haven't put some.
Oh no, but you're gonna do, huh? You're gonna do it?
Yeah.
Make sure you guys subscribe to this YouTube channel, Gordo Blocks TV. He's gonna be having a lot of good videos for you guys. I promise you that. Don't forget to click subscribe. This is just the 4th of July video. We got some nice Disneyland videos coming soon, huh?
Yeah.
We got a lot of surprises for you guys.
But it's actually impossible to subscribe and like at the same time.
Oh, try it. Everybody, try to subscribe and try to like at the same time right now.
It's actually really impossible.
Try to do it. Try to do it. Try to subscribe with your nail. Yeah, try to click like with your nail and try to subscribe with your nail. Let me know if you guys were able to do it.
I already took it.
And like and subscribe at the same time, and it's probably impossible.
Yeah, drop it in the comments.
Because if you like do it, then drop it in the comments. Like that's
I tried it before. It is kind of impossible. Well, let me know if you guys can
like
do it.
if you move your finger like too far, if you click it too, it's not gonna do nothing.
Yeah.
It's literally impossible.
Are you liking the fireworks show?
Oh yeah,
The 4th of July. Everybody, happy 4th of July.
yeah. This is Earth's birthday, and this is also the
Shout out to
United
everybody
States.
watching, huh?
And this is also the United States of America flag. I think this is the birthday, and also I think the New York city has a statue of Liberty. This is his birthday, and that's to take off slavery.
Oh, nice. Shout out to everybody watching. There it is. So beautiful. So beautiful. Usually at the end they throw like a happy face or something.
Oh yeah, like a big I don't know, like a shape like a clown or something. Like at the end, in the middle, it comes like I don't know, like in car or like something big, but something like cool or something.
It's so hard. I can tell who's coming. It's hard. I did, and that's what happened. Take one down.
The fireworks. There's actually boats over there. I don't know what they're doing right now. But I could see the other boats. I think they're doing destruction on them.
The back of the Queen Mary, huh?
Yeah, that's usually the back of the Queen Mary. But they have Jurassic Park over there. But the real one, like not the theme park.
Oh yeah.
They have a real one where they keep all the baby dinosaurs.
I know it's somewhere back there, huh?
Yeah, at the end of the video, you'll get to see it.
They're gonna make a video on that,
Okay, that
huh?
was kind of cool.
Oh yeah, we might do a video or we might show you too right now.
We can't get close though.
Yeah, we can
We'll be
use.
eaten by the little
Miren qué
baby
bonito se
dinosaurs.
mira.
I don't think baby dinosaurs actually bite. Only if they if you do something mean to them. But usually dinosaurs they do for
Look at
nothing. Cool. So usually all the fireworks are going that way. None of them is going the other way. When it was like not time of the fireworks, like all of them to come, they were like different directions. There's different directions. There's actually a lot of bees over here, so we gotta be careful. Because bees, they don't like people getting close to them. And that's why they sting them. Just get separated from bees. Yep. And we might show the Jurassic Park cartoon. But it's actually impossible to go over there because actually you need a way to go over there. Like a boat or something because if you go swimming, there's sharks over there. Well, you could drown. Look at my shirt. Ba, 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 ba. At the 4th of July, you only need a big
you.
flag.
Nice. Look at that elote man right there, man.
Oh my god. Maybe he wants people to have snacks when they're looking at the fireworks.
The elote man, bro. Ooh, look at that guy right there.
Ooh, he's selling cotton candy.
Oh my god. Who doesn't love cotton candy?
Yeah, it's so sugary and yum. Twice a day.
Oh
I
my
mean-
god.
I mean, only 2 days or 1 day.
What if you eat more than that?
Oh, you'll get a sugar rush.
All right, everybody. Well, this was the 4th of July here in Long Beach, California. We want to invite everybody to subscribe to your YouTube channel.
And yeah, and right over there,
All right, tell them.
look. Shout out is to my cousins. Shout out to my cousins. And shout out to Scott because he subscribed to my channel.
And tell everybody to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe everybody.
All right, everybody. Well, that was 4th of July in Long Beach.
Oh my god, there's so many. I hope there's a monkey face at the end. I think there's a monkey at the end. And there's a monkey. I hope there's a monkey face.
And that was the end
Look over there.
of the show.
Da-da-da, ba-ba-da-ba.
There's nothing over there.
Yes, there is.